And at the center of the roof, there is an opening. That opening, the architect studied the movement of the sun. The movement of the sun, December 16. The movement, the sun, December 16, 12 o'clock sharp. The sun is shooting straight on top of that stone. Straight, 12 o'clock. Under that stone, they buried one, the vow. They printed the vow, put it under there. They buried two, the stem, not the national anthem. The stem. You know what the stem is? Huh? What's about the stem? If the stem, explain the stem. They buried the stem. Listen to this. Listen to this. I'm done. Listen to this. I'm done. You'll go home quickly. You'll see I'm talking about you. They buried the stem. Every South African, black, white, Indian color, is allowed to go to Voortrekker Monument anytime, any day. You can visit there. Except 16 December, you can't go there. Only Boers are in Voortrekker 16 December. No black person.
Hello. Hey. Pastor Solima Sango. Pastor Solima Sango. Yo. Has just opened a can of worms for it. Yo. It's not something that we didn't know about, but he was brave enough. Hey, I will share the link. I'll share the link of what happened. But he was brave enough to talk about it in church. Because one thing I've noticed about church, Pastor Solema Sango, yo. You know what? We shy away as church people from politics, history, because history has that sensitive vibe of bringing anger to people, and it also questions us, where are we standing and what are we doing currently. So Pastor Solema Hlango has just poked the bears in some of the people, in some Africans. Let me just say that. I cannot say South Africans. Let me just say in some Africans, he just poured the bear in